welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Local time is 7:39. We're going to be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Please make sure that any and all personal items are stowed underneath that seat in front of you, not on your lap, not on the chair next to you. Make sure everything is stowed underneath the seat in front of you, keeping your row and the center aisle completely clear of any obstructions. Once we have taxied safely to the gate and made a complete and final stop, the captain will turn off the seatbelt sign. That seatbelt sign being turned off is your signal that it's safe to undo your seatbelt and stand up. At that time, please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items do tend to shift around during flight. If your cellular device is within reach, you may now use it. For those of you with connections and connecting flights, now's a great time to use your favorite flight tracker and check your gate connection information. Otherwise, check the monitors once we've arrived at the gate. For those of you who may need special assistance this morning, such as a wheelchair, please just remain comfortably seated until the majority of the other passengers have deplaned. The ground team here in Fort Lauderdale will be able to assist with wheelchairs at the very end of the deplaning process. Wheelchairs will not be available until everyone else has exited the aircraft. For those of you who may have gate checked any items with those bright green gate check tags, those items will be claimed on the jet bridge as you exit the aircraft. It will take the ground team a couple of minutes to collect those items and bring them up, but again, you'll find them on the jet bridge as you exit the aircraft. As always, we invite you to visit spirit.com/freespirit to learn all about our loyalty program and even collect valuable points for today's flight. On behalf of this entire Spirit in-flight team, I'd like to thank you for flying with us today, and we certainly hope to welcome you back again soon. Once again, welcome to Fort Lauderdale.